ministers from the cabinet, states and their families are all happy and excited to see him and greet him on the occasion of the Republic Day. Prime Minister Modi has always made it a point to personally greet as many people as possible who are on either side of Kartavya Path on this special day. And as was mentioned earlier, there are special the bird song of the Bugun Community Reserve, Viksit Bharat from Arunachal Pradesh, largest of the seven sisters of the northeast. Arunachal Pradesh literally means the land of dawn-lit mountains, verdant valleys, pristine water bodies and rich heritage all make it untouched, unseen, unbelievably must-visit place on earth. From Arunachal, we move to the state of Haryana and the government-run program called Mera Parivar Ek Pehchan, which attempts to provide the benefits of government-run schemes to eligible families by using technology and connecting with every family in the state. Data collected and updated by the government helps empowering the residents easily, digitally, be it procuring ration, agricultural subsidies, scholarships or pensions.
सारथ नाम का ICV BMP-2 शक्तिशाली आयुध युक्त अत्याधुनिक और रात्रि युद्ध क्षमता वाला एक उच्च गतिशीलता वाला इन्फेंट्री कॉम पीछे हैं राष्ट्रपति के सैन्य सचिव मेजर जनरल रंजीत सिंह बरार और राष्ट्रपति के उप सैन्य सचिव ग्रुप कैप्टन अभय बंसलकर अनुशासित ढंग से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं ADC स्क्वाड्रन लीडर सौरभ शर्मा और ADC मेजर रोहित रसकोत्रा। प्रेसिडेंट बॉडीगार्ड द्वारा राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू को राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट दिया जाएगा। नेशनल सैल्यूट के पश्चात राष्ट्रपति महोदया इस वर्ष के गणतंत्र दिवस के खास मेहमान के साथ ऐतिहासिक बग्गी में कर्तव्य पथ की ओर प्रस्थान करेंगे।
The smartly turned out President's bodyguard in the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan on their magnificent horses, the senior-most regiment of the Indian Army, that is 251 years old since its raising in 1788. A unique and distinct regiment. President, their officers and men, excellent horsemen, trained tankmen and paratroopers. And now you get to see the special presidential carriage that is making its appearance at the Republic Day parade after 40 years. The horse-drawn buggy that has gold-plated rims and looks extremely comfortable was used by the British in the pre-independence era and later remained with the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is used now for Republic Day functions. In fact, it was used till 1984 and then discontinued. It, of course, has an interesting history as it became part of India's history post-independence based on the toss of a coin. Initially used by the President for ceremonial occasions, everyone really excited to see this unique buggy.
इधर कर्तव्य पथ पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का आगमन हो रहा है। राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक पर जिन्होंने कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की ओर से अमर शहीदों को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित किए। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का विधिवत स्वागत करेंगे उपराष्ट्रपति महोदय का उनके आगमन पर, और उसके पश्चात माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू का आगमन होगा। इस वर्ष इमैनुअल मैक्रोन, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत।
All eyes now. And we're all waiting with beautiful bandhani turban with a matching cravat. His choice for turban and formal attire, quite a matter of interest for everyone who is here.
The tableau showcases the resilience of tribal women in production of tussar silk.
और ये है विकसित भारत समृद्ध विरासत को दर्शाती उत्तर प्रदेश की मनोरम झांकी, जो श्री अयोध्या धाम पर आधारित है। देशवासियों, हाल ही में श्री राम जन्मभूमि अयोध्या में संपन्न हुए श्री राम लला की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा समारोह को झांकी के अग्रभाग में दिखाया गया है। साथ ही उत्तर प्रदेश की समृद्ध विकास, जिसमें जेवर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डा, नोएडा में सबसे बड़ी मोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री, इन सभी को झांकी में दिखाया गया है। और अब सलामी मंच के सामने अग्रसर होता हुआ तेलंगाना राज्य की झांकी।
Way of helping us understand the importance and value of warmth in ourselves. And today, as we see these beautiful sun-bathed areas in front of us, all of them come alive with the warmth of brotherhood and national pride. Kitted out in their warm winter woolens, viewers from all walks of life are seated here as one people to celebrate our differences, divide, and yet value our oneness. In fact, celebration only takes on true meaning when the reasons behind it have meaning for all, including the last marginalized person. For any national celebration to have true meaning, its reasons also need to be lived collectively. The engines of the largest democracy in the world, the people of India, its driving